Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset an LG dryer that's not heating. So what you need to do is pull the dryer out where you can get behind it, unplug it, definitely make sure you unplug it, and then we're going to remove the exhaust out the back. There's only one Phillips screw. And another tool you'll definitely need is a good flashlight, something kind of small as you see on the video. So slide the exhaust out. So like I said, with a good flashlight you'll look in the hole, the exhaust hole, and you'll see the thermal fuse right here. In the middle of this fuse there is a reset button. If you hit this button and it clicks, that means you did reset the dryer. If the button does not click, that means that was not your problem. It could be a bad igniter or so forth. But don't worry, if you have to take this dryer apart, I have a video that will show you exactly how to do so. And also be careful with the side of this housing. It is sharp at little points. Just be careful and you should be fine. So here's a picture of the thermal fuse and where the button is located. And here's a better view of where it's located. So if you have any problems or questions, concerns, just leave in the comments below. So if you do reset this fuse and your dryer does heat, but yet it only lasts a day or so, I would check the exhaust. If your exhaust is okay, that just means you have a weak thermal fuse and you will need to replace it. So when you slide in this exhaust, you're going to have to make sure you put your flashlight in the middle of the exhaust, and this way you can actually see and make sure that you line it up correctly, not cutting no wires, and connecting it correctly to the blower housing. So this is how we can connect it without having any issues. So once you slide it into the blower housing, you will take your Phillips screw and reinstall. Well, I hope this video was helpful, saved you time and money. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Thank you.